It's still pushing. Nasdaq's still pushing. I've done it. Why did I do that? Why did I do that? Why the fuck did I do that? Why did I just... Alright, yo boys, today is day 4 of passing a $100,000 funded account using the MambaFX Breakout strategy. As I started trading last week and I posted that day 1 of this challenge, and all of a sudden 1,000 people tuned in and then they're all commenting how I'm trading and all this shit. I think I got a little bit of performance anxiety, to be honest with you, because every single day after that was losing days, but my initial analysis was winning every single time. I've entered a trade too late, or I would take out my profits too early from hesitation of losing a fucking trade. Even though if you look at my Google Sheets, so if you look at my P&L sheet that's in every description, you can see how much I won, lost. So for those that don't know what I'm on about, here's the P&L sheet that I'm talking about. As you can see here, every single day since I've started this YouTube channel, and I stopped trading with MambaFX and he's live. As you can see here, stopped trading with MambaFX and started on my own. Every single trade here is solo. I've documented every single win, break-evens, losses, and I've even included the YouTube link to every single trade, so you can just go take a look at that. As well, I've started adding Google links. So for example, pardon me, for today's trade, the trade I did take was this, so you can go take a look at that. And yeah, as well guys, you'll see that there's a free Discord community link. I've just opened up a free Discord, so if any of you might want to jump in, if you're trading the same strategy, like, this is going to be perfect. We can all jump in here. I'll show you guys a little bit here. You're going to see my total P&L. It's all going to be there. My Instagram, I've even included that, so you can message me on there. Daily trades, I'm going to start posting every daily trade in here. Members' profits, I want you guys to showcase what you've been doing. Your wins, your losses, we'll speak about it. Family chat is basically general chat, we'll just chat shit, I'll talk about anything. As well, custom lot size calculator. A lot of people ask me for this. Now, essentially what this is, if you join my Discord, I custom coded a lot size calculator, which I use in all my videos, and a lot of you ask for this, to essentially just work out what my lot size is for every single trade. And then as well, I have my breakdown PDF. You can all find that in there. That's basically my strategy. Exactly, how I trade, when I trade, what I look out for, management and tips. And yeah, so if you guys want to jump on that, go take it. As well, I've included my Google Sheet for my free trade tracker, which is literally exactly the same as what I use in every single video. So you can also have this. But yeah, let's get into the fucking video, boys. But big up everyone commenting, supporting this shit, because it's pretty sick, man. Come on. Market is about to open in just 3 minutes. And just a quick one. So we are down 2.69%. And yeah, that's about it. Besides that, all good. Also, boys, can I just say, this channel is going quick. Like, you man over the week have just like popped this off with this challenge. So I really appreciate everyone commenting. I literally see every single comment, so I'll be replying back to every single person if I haven't already. But yo guys, keep it going, keep it pushing. I rate it. Thank you. I don't like to enter a trade within the first few seconds, if I'm honest with you. That's usually where most fake outs happen. So I will be patient. I will wait it out. And we'll just see what happens. We've got 30 pip stop loss today. So we've set that with the lot size calculator. We're getting quite a down wick here. But we'll see what happens, right? Hopefully this comes up, shoots up, and if we go for another push downwards, I'm in on the sell. Right, no hesitation today. I'm in the sell. Last week I was too hesitant. This week I just want to be in. I want to be taking my opportunities. I want to be hitting that straight away. So let's see what happens. I do not like entering trades this early. I will say that. But last week I was definitely too hesitant, so I want to change that this week. It is falling lovely though. That's what we want. Hopefully this don't fake out on us now. See what happens. Nasdaq's pushing all the way up. I may get out of this trade. Yeah, I'm closing that a little early just because I don't like how quick and early that popped in. If it goes down for a second push, I will re-enter. But the way Nasdaq's moving right now is ridiculous, so I had to play it really careful there. Yeah, so we've just been stopped out of that. I mean, I literally exited that early. Just because Nasdaq has just made such a big move. And I know I said I'd only focus on Nasdaq, on US30, but paying attention to both pairs can sometimes help because they do correlate quite a lot. Now I can see there's a trend here. Right. Do we get in on this buy? We'll see. We'll see. I'm just going to pay attention to the price movement, and we'll go from there. Because if this comes back down, this could be interesting. Nasdaq's still pushing up. That was a clean break, that. Clean break, that. Is US30 going to follow? Let's see. If we get one more push, I might go in for the buy. Right, I'm in. Buy. In a buy. Hopefully this does what we want. Hopefully it sets off and we recoup our loss and more. That's the plan here. I'm gonna have a little bit of a resistance in this zone here, of course, but the same way Nasdaq smashed through it, hopefully US30 does the same. That's what I'm hoping for. So let's see. And let's just fucking recoup this, this loss that I'm in so far. But like I say, boys, I am showing you like the legit raw, every single trade, the wins, the losses, the mistakes. I want to keep it as real as I can. Remember, I am also a trader like you guys. I'm on my journey as well. So I want to be as real with this as I can possibly show. Just document the whole journey. But hopefully this pushes how I want it, which is looking nice. Come on, keep pushing. Keep pushing. There we are. Come on, just if it breaks past here, we're golden. We are golden. Come on, that's it. Nasdaq's got a big fat rejection, which I don't like. I'm potentially going to put stops to break even at this point. No, we're good. Come on. Just reading the charts, that's it. Keep pushing. Keep on pushing. Come on, this is what we want. Stops are now at break even, so I'm looking like this in the trade. Hopefully it bounces off of this resistance. Previous support. Previous resistance. Hopefully it bounces off this previous resistance, which is now looking to be a support, which is exactly what we want to see. And hopefully this shit just flies and keeps pushing and pushing. We've got all this area to fill, which is lovely. But yeah, see what happens. We're about to be exited out of the trade. So shit, my entry was actually here. I got a really bad feel on that. Real quick, boys, something I just want to quickly touch on and speak about with regards to that trade there. At this point, I put my stops to full break even, and usually and generally I would never do that. Usually I would put it to around 0.5, so rather than risking $1,000, I'd be then risking 500. And indices like US30, Nasdaq, they do have strong tendencies to come up, come down, come up, come down. And they can always come up and they can always go down. But very obvious that they can come back down to your entry, all the time, a lot of the time. So that's hence why I'd usually put on a 0.5, especially if we're up at a 1-to-1 or a 1 to 1.5. That's when I'd like to put it to around, halfway, rather than just, because like today we just got stopped out, and especially where I got stopped out as well, it was on a support area. So it was so unnecessary. If I didn't do that today, I could have just sat the one trade and taken the take profit and it'd been all smooth sailing. But it's just another thing I wanted to note, and hopefully help you guys learn as well. That's annoying. If this bounces up, do I re-enter? Oh, right, I'm gonna make one more. Just another clip here, boys. So the reason why I re-entered at this time is, as you can see here, it started to bounce off of the previous resistance and it became a new support. And obviously with market structure, when things are going up, higher highs, higher lows. And as you can see here, that's what essentially was forming. So even though this was a higher risk trade, initially we took the trend break, and this time we took the resistance break. So it was high risk, but it was also pretty
pretty smart. It was quite a smart move to be quite a smart move as well. Hence why it ended up being a winning trade. But boom.
I've just done the 2 positions. Hoping it just bounces off of this area here now. Oh, boys. Nasdaq still pushing. Come on, US30. Follow Nasdaq. Follow Nasdaq. Follow Nasdaq. Follow Nasdaq. There we go. There we go. There we go. That's what we want. That's what we want. That's what we want. Still pushing. Still pushing. It's still pushing. It's still pushing. Nasdaq's still pushing. That's it. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Right, I'm trailing stop loss. There we go. Keep pushing. Keep on pushing. Keep on pushing. Keep on pushing. That's it. Bang! Come on! That's what I'm fucking talking about. Jeez!
One last thing, guys. If you are looking to have a funded challenge similar to mine, literally, if you click on the link in my bio today, you're going to have 50% off. So you're going to save yourself quite a bargain there. So yeah, last thing I'll mention, this is also MambaFX's prop firm, so it's also backed by him as well. Besides that, boys, peace.